Hello everybody and welcome back to Alien Isolation. We are going to trap that bleeding alien. Right, so wrong button. Where are we going? This way. Okay. Where are we going? Who knows? Do you like my alien inspired t-shirt, by the way? Look, yeah. Evolution. Don't know if you'll see that. Well, we'll see. I can't actually tell because when I'm playing the game I haven't got my little face in the top corner. So I'm just pointing at nothing, but that's fine because it doesn't interrupt me playing the game. Right, straight on this way. Well, the alien's definitely going to be back now then if we're going to trap him, so we've got him to look forward to.
You on your way?
I am.
Yeah.
Ricardo's moving in ahead of you. I've sent your guy Samuels to android processing. Once this thing's dead, I'm gonna get him to access Apollo and lift the lockdown.
Alrighty-o.
Samuel's okay doing that?
Guy said he wanted to help and I have my hands full here. Besides, he's a synthetic. Should be easier for him to get in there.
Yeah, that's true.
Yes.
Look, Ripley, we're the only people standing between Sevastopol and outright disaster.
Oh, okay.
Outright disaster has already happened, Waits. All we can
I can
do
hear
now
it.
is kill that fucker.
Language, Ripley! It's behind me, isn't it? Anyway, while we're waiting for the elevator, look, there we go. That's the whole t-shirt. I quite like it. Oh my word. You don't have to make a noise. I think we're alright. That scared the crap out of me. Java updates. What? I wasn't listening. Oh, it got dark! Sprinting is the last resort. It allows and alerts everyone. Okay. Right. Well, that's nice, isn't it, I suppose. Right. I assume these things move quite quickly, judging by the sounds.
Station serving Seeks and Communication Technologies, tech support
Oh.
services.
I'm in the
and
Systex Spire.
Planet Solutions.
Ripley, heads up. I'm reading lots of malfunctioning systems in your area.
Yes. Get to the... Well, there goes the train. Should we have a quick look around? Oh, it's behind me. Oh. What's this do? Might be worth rewiring. Rewiring. Let's have that off as well. I can't imagine why I'd want to speak.
Safety is important to us. Please report all transit malfunctions immediately.
There are none. Oh yeah, flamethrower. Right, I'm just investigating because I don't do an awful lot of it in new areas. I probably should. Right, this elevator doesn't go anywhere. I hear you, bloody thing, you. Oh, I'm guessing I've already been here then. I'm slipped on the blood. Right. Okay, that's enough dilly-dallying. Let's get on with the show. It wants me to go up these stairs, not the other stairs, for some reason. There we go on that. Now that we've got the flamethrower, we may be using the motion tracker less. Possibly. Blub. I can hear a safe, but... oh my god, we're here! Jesus! Well, I was not expecting that. Says Jesus! What the hell? Oh my god. Whew! Oh. Oh, good.
This is not a drill. Do not panic.
Oh my god! Get off!
Let me help you.
You're on fire, you son of a... Oh my god. Oh my god. That I was not expecting. We almost died. Well, the flamethrower is not going to be much good now, is it? Right, well... Jesus! It was most upsetting. I did not enjoy that. One little bit.
Wait, what's wrong with this station?
It's always been falling apart, but because of the decommission, a lot of the systems have been shut down. Add to the fact that everyone's too busy trying to stay alive to maintain anything, and you end up with goddamn chaos.
Well, you are telling me. The whole bloody place has gone to pot, if you ask me. Alright, that's a flare. I can't pick up a flare. Right, let's use this lever. Oh my god, well, that frightened the hell out of me. There's something running around. Oh! Shit. We're gonna go back and save, because I'm not sure if these guys are friendly. And it's mostly because I'm not too convinced I know what I'm doing, and I'm a bit scared, if I'm honest. But that's okay, right? Let's just save the game. After that explosion, I want to see my face. Oh god, it was like... Brrr! That was the first genuine jump scare I think I've had in the game. There's been a lot of creepy bits where I didn't like what was going on. But that was a jump scare. I hate jump scares. That's what I fell out with Outlast. That, and it was disgusting. This game is beautiful. can we do? Oh, we don't want to use another.
Gotta sleep soon. I can't hack much more of this. Shouldn't have done that back there. You know we're hungry, but man, this feels so wrong.
What did you do? Uh-oh.
Did something back there just explode?
That's the least of your problems. The creature's nearby.
Oh!
You heard the lady. Let's go.
They're friendlies. Right. So I wasted a flare for no— oh well, we were maxed on flares anyway. Where are you, Mr. Alien? Turn that off. Something tells me I don't want to make all that noise. Okay.
Waits the creature. How are we gonna seal it in?
I don't know.
This fire was built to process high-value compounds dredged up from the gas giant. Piracy precautions are still in place. The tower can be shut off, vents, doors, everything. So, you build a cage around the creature, then Ricardo locks it down.
Okay. I don't like the sound of this idea. I also like the sound of a save point, maybe. Beep. There's the gas jet. Oh, this game is so beautiful. Bits of the station just floating away. What's that noise? It's the server hub. I guess we keep going down. Do we? I hear a save point. Is this the— yes! Where's the save point though? Oh my god, it's this way. Tech support.
Entrance is dead ahead. Use the terminal in reception to open the door.
Okay. Oh, right, so we're back here then, I guess. If I could remember where here was. It's a tickety tickety tickety. I remember. No, I don't remember. Do I remember? Let's save, and then we'll sign into that computer. Bit of a non-go episode this. Nothing's really happened. Pointless requests. Okay, so basically they're not shutting and not receiving messages. Some strange things are happening. The outpost of progress.
Ricardo's finalizing the lockdown. You need to close the security doors all around the stairwell. Then the supply storage, maintenance access, and server hub reception.
Oh.
Report in as you go.
Oh my. It's good to know we're gonna be sealing things off. Why can I now hear synthetics? This is all rather confusing. Well, I'm gonna do that next time, because it is a very convenient save point. Oh, there he is. We don't want to lose this convenience of the save point. So, hostiles nearby. Game saved. Thank you very much for watching, and I will play some more Alien Isolation next time, so tune in. Goodbye.